Welcome to today's Daily Dose of Emuna. This is the month of the soul. In fact, this month is associated with the tribe of Menashe. Menashe, if you take the letters of Menashe and you mix them around a little bit in terms of their order, it spells the word neshama. The idea of this month is to focus on all that work, all that spiritual glow that we took in for the past couple of weeks. We're actually bringing it all together. Our soul is aglow. Our soul is rich. Our soul is elevated, God willing, after all that spiritual work. If you take the word Menashe and switch it around in terms of the order once again, you'll get the word Shmone. Shmone, the number 8. The number 8 is an elevated state. Everything in this world is based on 7. 8 is that elevated state, like 8 days of Shemesh Atzeret, the last day of Sukkot. 8 days, the 8th day is the Bris Milah, the 8 days of Hanukkah. 8 is the world to come. It's something out of this world. And so this month represents the idea of the divine soul of Israel to be attached to the essence of Mashiach, something out of this world, an elevated state. In fact, the sense of this month is the sense of smell. And the smell is the sense by which the Sfarim teach us that Mashiach is going to come and be able to detect and refine the Jewish people's soul. It's a very high, unblemished sense that was not bruised and not corrupted in the chet and the transgression of Adam HaRishon. And so this is a very high-spirited month. It's a month where the divine glow of everything that we've worked on, Be'ezrat Hashem, is still there. Because as the year passes by, unfortunately, a lot of that light dissipates. So whatever light we've captured, let's take that light and let's infuse it into this month, into our everyday mundane activities. The zodiac sign of the month, that's the association of this month, is with the bull. The bull is a coarse, raw, materialistically inclined animal. This is the month. Because there's no Chagim, we are severely steeped in the materialistic ends of this world. But this is the month that too, there was the flood of Noach, the Mabul, Bul. Some say there's a link to that. But this is the month where, in spite of the fact that there was this flood and destruction, the Chachamim, our sages, also teach us that this month, the Mabul, acted actually as a mikveh that cleansed, that purified, that rectified, created newness into our existence. Another aspect of this month is that the first Beit HaMikdash was built in this month by Shlomo HaMelech, although it wasn't dedicated until the following year in Tishrei. Hashem promised that in the month of Cheshvan, the third and eternal lasting Beit HaMikdash will in fact be built and dedicated. So this is the month to connect with the soul's vitality, to regenerate those pieces that we set into motion over the last couple of weeks. We're meant to infuse the vitality into our minds, into our speech, into our feelings, and into our actions, and really bring it down to earth. So Be'ezrat Hashem, even though on the surface it appears as though this month is not rich with activities, there's plenty for us to do based on all that we've done until now. Wishing everybody an Emuna-filled, smiling day.